Hello, welcome to Ben Beyond. I am Varun. In this HTML tutorial video, it is time for assessment. We have so far learned about some of the HTML elements, nesting elements, block and inline elements, and empty elements. Using the concepts learned, you have to answer the following 15 questions. I'll be providing the answer to the question after each question. So you should pause the video after each question, think about the answer, and then play it again to see the answer. Let us start with the first question. The first question is, what is the root element in HTML? Option A HTML, B root, C body, and D head. And the answer is HTML. Second question. HTML stands for Option A Hypertext Markup Language, B Hypertext Markup Language, C Hypertext Marks Language, and D none of these. And the correct answer is B Hypertext Markup Language. Next question. HTML is considered as A high level language, B markup language, C object oriented language, and D scripting language. And the correct answer is B markup language. Next question. HTML is a set of markup, tags, attributes, properties, and D sets. And the correct answer is tags. Question number 5. HTML document can contain Option A tags, B attributes, C plain text, and D all of these. And the correct answer is D. Let's move on to question number 6. HTML document is also known as A front page, B server page, C web page, and D none of the above. And the correct answer is C web page. Question number 7. HTML documents use extension A.html, B.htm, C.html, and D both A and B. And the correct answer is D both A and B. Next question. HTML program is read and rendered by Option A compiler, B interpreter, C web browser, and D none of these. And the correct answer is C web browser. Question number 9. An HTML document written using Windows operating system and Chrome browser can run on A Windows OS and Chrome browser only, B Linux operating system and Firefox browser only, C Linux operating system and Firefox browser also, and D on every system. And the correct answer is D on every system. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a web browser? A Mozilla Firefox, B Internet Information Server, C Internet Explorer, D Google Chrome. And the correct answer is B. Now move on to question number 11. Question number 11. Who was the primary author of HTML? A. Brendan H, B. John Reggie, C. Sabir Bhatia, and D. Tim Berners-Lee. And the correct answer is D. Tim Berners-Lee. 12. HTML tags are surrounded by which brackets? A. Angle, B. Curly, C. Square, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Angle. Question number 13. Who is making the web standards? Mozilla, W3C, Google, and Microsoft. The correct answer is B. W3C. Question number 14. What is another name of the opening tag of HTML tags? A. Ending tag, B. Starting tag, C. Close tag, and D. Forward tag. And the correct answer is starting tag. And now the last question. Which of the following are types of an HTML element? A. Inline, B. Block, C. Container, D. Empty, E. All of the above. And the correct answer is E. So check your score. How many are the correct answers given by you? If you have answered at least 10 correct answers, it's great. Otherwise, revise the concepts and try it again. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.